People say to reduce your screen time, oh yeah, just delete the app. Just like, don't look at it. Just like, don't open it. Just like, set an app blocker on it, bro. That's for the people who are not really addicted in the first place. It's like the 30-year-olds, the 40-year-olds who are like running a business and they're like chatting to younger people and they're like, oh yeah, just delete just delete it. Just delete Facebook, bro. No, it doesn't, bro. For the young people, bro. For us. That shit doesn't work because we were too fucking addicted for that. It's like telling a heroin addict to like, oh yeah, bro, just don't like shoot it into your forearms. Just like, yeah, bro, just like don't take it, bro. Bro, that shit doesn't work. Like, give the dude like clean needles. Give him like something that's just like slight bit less strong. Like instead of giving him like 100% like effect, give him like 90% and let him take that for like 2 weeks. Give him 80%. Let him take that for 2 weeks. Give him 70%. Let him take that for 2 weeks. To slowly cut it back for him so that eventually he only takes like 10%, then you cut it to like 5%, then 2%. And then he can like cold turkey that shit because it's like, it's so weak either way. So he doesn't really like, he can escape, right? So it's like for the people that shit doesn't work. And what I found to work is just watch a movie instead of scrolling. Like for the next 2 weeks, just set a challenge for yourself. Just tell yourself, okay, look at the time. Look at what date it is right now. So for me, as I'm recording this, it's the 24th of August. And I would just set like 2 weeks. That's like 7th of September. And I would just be like, okay, I'm not gonna watch a single piece of short form content anymore. If I do, I will, no, fuck, not, yeah. I'll just like, I won't watch any short form content. I will just watch a movie instead, right? So you could make like, how do I explain this, bro? I think you understand the gist of it. It's just, is watching a movie objectively better than scrolling short form content? Fuck yeah. Bro, training your attention span, training your mind to just watch 8-second videos, just scrolling to the next one, to the next one, to the next one is so damaging to you. With a movie, your attention is like being kept on the same thing for like an hour, 2 hours. That's how you like, not how you train up your attention span, but it's still stimulating, but you're not fucking up your attention span. And it's slightly less stimulating. Like, have you seen people like in the theater and they're just like scrolling short form content? Because I have, because short form content is like nowadays it's more stimulating than the movie. So just if you could just from now on, when you feel like watching short form content, watch a movie. And a limiting belief you might have is like, oh yeah, but a movie is so long, bro. You don't have to watch it in one go. You can like pause and like watch 10 minutes there and then pause and watch 10 minutes and 10 minutes. And yeah, you could do that. It's like, you could do that. I don't know how to explain it, bro. It's like, if I could speak to you one-on-one, all the limiting beliefs that you would have, I'd be able to like, boom, like smack them out, like boom, boom, boom. But you're not. But if you wanted me to do that, you could click on the first link in the description. It's my one-on-one coaching. I would like force you to quit. But yeah, it's like a fucking simple thing that you could do with the watching a movie instead of scrolling short form content, and I highly suggest that you do it. And bro, if you haven't tried it yet, just try it. You literally just try it. You would make so much progress just from watching. Yeah, I feel like I've said everything that needs to be said. Like if you realize that like your screen and like short form, like everything, if your screen time is the biggest problem, like the bottleneck in your business, and you want me to help you out with it. I know I haven't given you much value in this video of just like kind of giving you one actionable step that you can take for the next 14 days. But if you do that, I will help you solve the rest of your like screen addictions. So just like click on the first link in the description, take some action. Have a good rest of the day. See ya. I need to sneeze now. Fuck.